How to create WhatsApp group without name. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Then, click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen, which will open all these options. Click on New Group, which is the first option. After you click on New Group, simply select the contacts you want to add in a group. Then press on the arrow at the bottom. After you've clicked on the arrow at the bottom, you will find this kind of screen. Without adding anything in group name, press on the tick mark at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you do that, your group will be created and without your group name. It will be named as the people that are in the group. This is how to create WhatsApp group without name. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.